Hello everyone, and welcome. Happy Monday to all of you. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. Mine was incredibly productive. I spent a good chunk of it digging into market trends, really analyzing what's happening out there. It's always fascinating to see the shifts and patterns emerge. We've now completed 4 out of our 7 planned sessions, which is just amazing. We're making great progress, and with the Christmas season just around the corner, the excitement is definitely building. It feels like we're on the home stretch of the year, and I'm really looking forward to what's coming next. Now, some of you might have noticed things have been a bit quiet around Victory with Ash lately. I want to address that directly. This quiet period is intentional, and it's because we are strictly adhering to our code of conduct. This is something we take very seriously. If you're curious about the specifics, the full code of conduct is available for everyone to read on our website. It outlines the guidelines we all follow to ensure a respectful and professional environment. During this time, while we wait for further updates from our CEO, Ash Mufareh, we're not just sitting still. Our commitment is to continue providing you with valuable insights and information that can help you achieve success in your business endeavors. We're working behind the scenes to prepare content that will be genuinely useful for you. I also want to take a moment to express my sincere appreciation to everyone who has been respecting these guidelines. Your cooperation makes a huge difference and helps maintain the integrity of our community. So, thank you for your understanding and your patience as we navigate this period together. Let's talk about something fundamental to success in any business: the importance of following instructions. This might sound simple, but its impact is enormous. Following instructions is absolutely essential for efficiency, for safety, and for maintaining quality. When everyone follows the same set of clear directions, it creates a system that works smoothly. Think about it. It prevents costly errors and avoids wasting valuable resources, whether that's time, money, or materials. It ensures that tasks are completed correctly and consistently every single time. This consistency is vital, not just for the final product or service, but also for training new team members and achieving our broader business goals. When instructions are clear and followed, it builds a foundation of trust. Your colleagues and leaders can rely on you, and you can rely on them. It's about creating a standardized process that everyone understands and can execute effectively. So, adhering to instructions isn't just about complying with a requirement from the company. It's a powerful tool for each individual to navigate their tasks effectively, contribute positively, and be an integral part of a successful, thriving business environment. It empowers you to do your job well and with confidence. Let's dive deeper into why this matters so much. Imagine a manufacturing plant. If one person decides to skip a step in the assembly line instructions, it could compromise the quality and safety of the entire product. The consequences could be huge. The same principle applies in every industry, whether you're in tech, customer service, or marketing. Following a prescribed process ensures that the end result meets the required standard. It's about maintaining a high bar for quality across the board. When a business is known for its consistency and reliability, it builds a strong, positive reputation in the marketplace. Customers learn to trust the brand because they know what to expect. This isn't just about avoiding mistakes. It's about actively building a brand that people believe in. Clear, concise instructions are the backbone of this. They are the key to unlocking efficiency and productivity. When instructions are vague or confusing, people spend more time trying to figure out what to do than actually doing it. This leads to wasted time, frustration, and often a substandard outcome. Clear instructions eliminate that ambiguity. They provide a roadmap that guides people from start to finish, enhancing both speed and accuracy. Furthermore, when everyone is operating from the same playbook, it makes problem-solving much simpler. If an issue arises, you can trace it back through the standardized process to identify exactly where things went wrong. This is incredibly difficult to do when everyone is doing things their own way. Standardized procedures also make training new employees far more effective. You can give them a clear set of instructions to follow, which accelerates their learning curve and helps them become productive members of the team much faster. Ultimately, all of this contributes to a significant reduction in user errors. When people know exactly what is expected of them and how to do it, they are far less likely to make mistakes. This saves the company time and money, reduces stress for employees, and leads to a more harmonious and productive work environment. So, the next time you receive a set of instructions, remember that they are not there to restrict you. They are there to empower you, to help you work more efficiently, and to ensure that the work you do contributes to the overall quality and success of the entire organization. Now, let's talk about the human element, building trust and accountability. Following instructions is absolutely crucial for fostering a culture of reliability within a team. When you consistently do what you say you're going to do, according to the agreed-upon process, your colleagues and leaders learn that they can depend on you. This is the very definition of being a reliable team member. Accountability naturally grows from this foundation of trust. When everyone is clear on their responsibilities and the procedures they need to follow, it's easier to hold each other accountable for the results. There's a common misconception that following instructions stifles creativity and freedom. Some people feel that rules and procedures are restrictive, but in my experience, the vast majority of people actually prefer having clear guidance. They want to know what the goal is and the most efficient way to get there. Clear instructions provide that clarity. They allow people to focus their energy on executing their tasks well, rather than trying to reinvent the wheel every single time. This structured approach doesn't limit freedom, it channels it productively. It ensures that everyone's efforts are aligned with the larger organizational goals. Instead of a dozen people pulling in different directions, you have a whole team moving forward together toward a common objective. This synergy is incredibly powerful. It builds momentum and creates a sense of shared purpose that is essential for any successful enterprise. This brings me to my next point, which is the power of community and collective success. A business is not just a collection of individuals, it's a community. The success of that business depends heavily on the collective effort of everyone involved, all working towards common goals. This is where community loyalty and trust in leadership becomes so important. When you have a strong, cohesive community, people are more willing to go the extra mile, to support each other, and to put the needs of the group ahead of their own individual preferences. This sense of community doesn't just happen on its own. It's built on a foundation of shared values, mutual respect, and trust. Trust in leadership is particularly critical. When employees trust their leaders, they are more likely to believe in the vision, embrace the strategy, and follow the guidelines that are put in place. This is why adherence to guidelines is so crucial. It's a tangible demonstration of your commitment to the community and your trust in the process. By following the instructions, each member of the community plays a vital role in the company's overall success. Your individual contribution might seem small, but when it's combined with the contributions of everyone else, it creates a powerful force for achievement. It reinforces the idea that we are all in this together, and that our success is interconnected. My success contributes to your success, and your success contributes to mine. This collaborative spirit is what separates good companies from great ones. It's the engine that drives innovation, resilience, and long-term growth. All right, that's all the time we have for today. I really want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in and for being a part of this conversation. We have more live sessions planned throughout the week, and I'm really excited to continue sharing valuable and interesting content with you all. I truly appreciate your time and your engagement. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to reconnecting with all of you again tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.